All right, so today we're installing a dash cam for in a CX90. I think this applies to all the models, but this is a phev GT. But I'm pretty sure that everything should look the same for whichever one you're doing. And I'm just gonna go over some of the key things for myself as well as anyone doing this. I've tested that these three fuses here are ignition on, they're accessory fuses, and that's what it says in the manual. You can use a negative. I think this is the easiest spot to tap in to get the negative, the 12 volt minus. This one is not connected. This one is, and it's right on the body there, but it's a bit tight. I'm just gonna go with this one because this is 12 volts here, and I'm going to use one of these piggyback thingies. You see, you just take out one of those existing fuses with your needle nose pliers, stick that in there, and I'm just gonna use the 7.5 amp one, or wait, what is it? 7.5. Yeah, I'll use the middle one there. Things I did remove to make this easier is this plastic panel. You just literally it just literally pops off here, and yeah, it just I couldn't tell you how easy this was to take off. I think it's on the same as my CX5. It's the same. And then to pop off the fuse box cover, there's a pin, or rather a tab holding it right here, which you can it's your typical Mazda thing there. And then that's it. After that, there's another tab here. So after that, you just want to pull it towards you to remove this tab, and then it'll come up towards you. So that is easy. Oh yeah, taking this off is super easy. You just want to slide it past the A-pillar cover, and then this is enough that I don't need to take it all off. It'll all come off now, but honestly, you just need to slip it on. You just need to slip your wire underneath the airbag, so it's not gonna be in the way if your airbag deploys. And then come out on this side, and then after that, you could just put it under the liner all the way to your center console, which I warned. You could just stuff it in there, and it goes in. So I'm gonna do that later, but first I need to loosen this screw, put my 12 volt in. I don't have a hardwire kit, so I'll just be using a 12 volt plug in there to plug in my dash cam with the cigarette connection it came in. But this will go into it'll be hardwired, but through the socket, through the cigarette socket. And that's it. I think that's all you'll need. Those are the questions for me, is the A-pillar, how to remove that. Oh yeah, so to remove the A-pillar, that's important. You slide it that way. You just push on it that way. So just don't pull down, pull to the right, and it just clicks out. There's a tab you can see right there. There's that plastic piece. It'll come out. And then after, when I put everything back together, run the line here down this slot and into the negative terminal, and then to the fuse box area. I'll push it back in. That's it. Cheers.